We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the StepLively Foot Rest for under desk at work. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The StepLively Foot Rest is designed to enhance comfort and support for anyone spending extended periods sitting at a desk, whether at work, home, or even in a car. It features a 2-layer ergonomic design, with the lower layer measuring 2.0 inches thick and the upper layer 3.7 inches thick. This configuration allows users to select the most suitable height for their needs, aiming to relieve pressure on the legs, back, and hips during long sitting sessions. The adjustability is achieved with a 2-piece removable system using magic tape and a zipper to connect or separate the layers. This means you can quickly switch between a higher or lower position by adding or removing the bottom piece. While some users appreciate the simple and effective adjustment, a few noted that the marketing images might suggest a more dynamic range of adjustability than is actually present. In reality, the height is either with or without the bottom layer, not a continuous adjustment. However, most users found this sufficient for their comfort needs. The core of the StepLively foot pillow is made from high-quality foam, which is both supportive and resilient. Many reviewers highlight that the foam does not easily collapse or lose its shape even after prolonged use. The bottom of the foot pillow has a non-slip design, ensuring that it stays in place under your desk or wherever you choose to use it. The cover is made from a soft machine-washable velvet fabric, which not only feels comfortable against bare feet, but also makes cleaning straightforward. Users frequently mention the convenience of being able to remove the cover with a zipper and toss it in the washing machine, keeping the product fresh and hygienic. Durability is another point of praise, with the fabric and foam holding up well to repeated use and cleaning cycles. In terms of versatility, the StepLively Foot Rest stands out. While its primary function is as an under-desk footrest, it can also be used under the knees while lying down or sleeping to provide additional support for lower back pain. Some users flip it over to use as a rocking pedal, which can help relieve stress or boredom during long work sessions. The anti-slip bottom ensures that the footrest remains stable in any position. The product is lightweight, weighing just 1.39 pounds, and has dimensions of 9.8 by 16.1 by 5.7 inches, making it easy to transport between home, office, or even for use in a car. This portability is appreciated by users who need ergonomic support in multiple environments. Performance-wise, the StepLively Foot Rest receives high marks from a wide range of users. Many report significant improvements in comfort, especially during long hours at a desk. The cushioning is described as soft yet supportive, providing the right amount of give without being too squishy. Several users mention relief from back and hip pain, attributing this to the ergonomic design and adjustable height. The footrest also helps keep feet off cold floors, which is a bonus for those working in cooler environments like basements. The firmness of the foam is frequently cited as ideal, offering enough resistance to be comfortable for both bare and socked feet. The soft velvet cover adds to the overall comfort, making it pleasant to use even without shoes. Ease of setup and use is another area where the StepLively Foot Rest excels. Users find it simple to assemble, with the magic tape and zipper system making it easy to adjust the height or remove the cover for washing. The product stays in place during use, thanks to the non-slip bottom, and the rectangular shape provides ample space for both feet. The design is also aesthetically pleasing, with the black velvet cover blending well into most office or home environments. The product is sturdy and maintains its shape over time, even with daily use. Some users who purchased the footrest during pregnancy continue to use it afterward, highlighting its long-term durability and effectiveness. There are a few minor drawbacks noted by users. Some feel that the adjustability could be improved, as the current system only allows for 2 height settings rather than a fully customizable range. The marketing images may give the impression of more flexibility than is actually provided. However, most users find the 2 available heights sufficient for their needs. A small number of users would prefer a firmer or softer foam, but the majority agree that the current firmness strikes a good balance between comfort and support. The product's lightweight design makes it easy to move, but a few users mention that it could shift slightly on very smooth floors, though the anti-slip bottom generally prevents this. The StepLively Foot Rest is also praised for its value. With a customer review rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 2,000 ratings, and a bestsellers rank of #10 in office footrests, it is clear that this product is well received in the market. Many users consider it a great investment for the price, especially given its durability, comfort, and versatility. The washable cover adds to the overall value, making maintenance easy and extending the product's lifespan. Users appreciate the thoughtful design details, such as the easy-to-align Velcro and the soft, attractive fabric. In summary, the StepLively Foot Rest for Underdesk at Work is a highly effective and versatile ergonomic accessory that addresses the needs of those who spend long hours sitting. Its adjustable 2-layer design, supportive foam core, non-slip base, and washable velvet cover make it a standout choice for office workers, home users, and anyone seeking relief from back, hip, or leg discomfort. The product's portability and multi-use functionality further enhance its appeal. While there are minor limitations in adjustability, the overall performance and user satisfaction are overwhelmingly positive. If you are looking for a comfortable, durable, and easy-to-maintain footrest, the StepLively model is a strong contender. Remember, if you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to provide detailed product insights.